Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Quizlet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device and you will now see the sign up for free button. Go ahead and tap on it and you may now use your Google or your Facebook account, or you can simply use your email address. Go ahead and enter your date of birth and then enter your email address that you prefer to use for your account. After entering your email address, type in your preferred password for your account. Finally, you may choose whether you are a teacher or not. After choosing the appropriate option, just tap on the sign up button. And now you have been signed up with Quizlet. You can click on continue using the free version and you will be asked to confirm your email address. So check within the inbox of the email address that you just used and you will find an email from Quizlet. Just open up this email and then tap on confirm your email. Once you tap on this, your account has successfully been verified and now you are successfully signed up to your new account on Quizlet right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Quizlet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.